May his lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, my lord.
Yes.
My senior R. Mazumdar is out of station. He'll be back by this evening. I pray for adjournment for a day.
Item 4. So the matter is fixed. Once it is fixed, we don't expect matter to
My
be
lord.
done.
He's supposed to be here by last evening, but due to some delay, he couldn't appear.
Submitted by Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner that matter that the council arguing counsel that he is out of station and the season so let's get it into the council representing the respondent.
Yes.
You're also there?
No.
Okay, great. For the case,
Well, date may fix. Well, this.
we can't fix it. Like
Well, I. Well, so
you want it, we'll direct the matter to be listed in part two hearing.
part two. Well, part two.
Part two hearing list in
Yes,
the month
madam.
of June.
Yes, ma'am. Part two is
That
better.
will be listed in part hearing list.
Well, I got 27 of part two list, madam. Well, today, yesterday I was in other court, madam. I have to speak on tomorrow, madam. Well, only one day conversation for next week, any date, madam.
Later you mention it tomorrow.
Well, I'm out of station, madam.
So you said somebody to mention it.
I left.
May it please your lordship. First, with the consent of the counsel for the petition lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, lordship. This the lordship was directed to produce some record. That required record is yet to be received, lordship.
What record? What is there? What surprise in this petition? Nothing. Why do we have to keep on adjourning this matter? Nothing is
Otherwise,
there.
otherwise petition has
My
not
lord,
been moved.
They have, my lord, right now, my lord, they have rejected, my lord, the claim of the petitioner, my lord, on the ground, my lord, that some cabinet decision, my lord. That decision, my lord, is not attached to the petitioner's case, my lord.
You wait, let us see the matter.
Lordship.
2012 matter.
Yes, my
adjournment.
lord.
Wait. But,
Here,
in this case, the petitioner school was provincialized under the 11 Act. Despite provincialization, my lord, the teachers of the school are not being paid the salaries. Now they have raised an objection that during 2019, the school did not have the dice code number. But on the basis of the dice code number for which the school was provincialized, that dice code number, they now say that that was issued in the year 2014-15. Then how could they provincialize the school in the year 2013 by showing the same dice code number? Dice code number is not altered, man. It is same. 19 dice code number, which I have annexed in the petition, they have not denied. They said that it is not found in the record. But they did not say that I have manipulated or manufactured that number.
no, once it is not in the record, it is not in the record.
But
Whether
This
you
is
have
the-
manipulated or got it from somewhere, they have consulted the record after consulting.
Malad, this
they
is
say
the entire
not there.
dice code number that of 2019. I have annexed the first page of the dice code, but this is the entire dice code number of 2019. If you look at Peruses, everything is there in the dice code number. Dice data. the dice code number, which was framed by the district school committee for provincialization of the school, on the basis of which the school was provincialized. It was prior to 2013, recommendation was made. In 2013, school was provincialized. Now they say that dice code has been generated in the year 2014-15. Then how could I find that dice code in the year 2019?
Where is it pursuant to the earlier order of the court?
Ma'am.
What order was passed? Order?
They have not passed. Earlier order, they have passed the order, that impugn order, at page 100,
Huh?
page 100, election 19.
Wait,
Mal. They say that this is the dice code number they have generated in the year 2014-15. Same number, only that a prefix has been added, that is the district code. All the schools who had some anomalies like the school petitioner school, they have been given the benefit of provincialization. Only the school, the petitioner school has been singled out. The Honorable Court also, in the review petition, held that the dice code data is not a fundamental requirement. Only the school should be established prior to 2006.
who's for the respondent?
Airport of Kalpataka.
Ah.
As per the ties that are available in the National Institute of Education Planning and Administrative Functioning. The petitioner school doesn't have the ties data for the year 2009 and 10, which is the primary requirement as per the
They
rules.
produced something.
No, our affidavit is very clear. It's not there in the data.
There means then you'll have to take step to find out how they procured it, meaning thereby that this is falsified for board document.
Well, yes, that in that case, it will have to be available.
Then there has to be a finding that
Yes, sir. 24.
Equal office, there is page 78. Page 78, this the report by the district elementary education officer. Director of elementary education, director of elementary education, was sent to here, the dice code of the petitioner school has been reflected. Serial number 3, the Korigaon LP school. Basement.
জমিন নহয় তেতিয়াহ'লে
সেইটো চাব লাগিব। Then
Well,
after this what?
Phase 54 months.
No, after 78 what? 78,
Mal-
what happened after that?
After that, Malad, the petition was actually running from pillar to post, Malad, for getting the salary to the Malad, teacher of the school. The building grant has been given the school. All midday meal,
What is the name of the school?
Tapuriga LP school. And under the 11 Act, Malad, the school was provincialized,
No, in this 78,
Malad,
in respect of serial number 3,
Malad.
it's shown that dice code of 2009-10 is
Yes.
provided, isn't it?
Yes, Malad.
So from where has this data been collected? Mr. Mohit,
Well, that as per affidavit, my lord, as per the dice data, my lord, available with us, it is only from 14 and 15, my lord.
come to 78, please.
That, my lord, he has annexed it, my lord. This is not our document. That's why we're saying, well, it's not there in the, my lord, dice data. That has been, my lord.
This communication is not available.
78, sir.
It original.
My lord.
78 or 80, I think 80 is the.
It is the original.
So serial number 3, if you see,
Yes, my lord.
there is some dice code as shown by DEO 2009-10.
My lord.
This is issued by someone from elementary education.
Yes, elementary four. My lord. And it says, my lord, it has been provincialized in 1/1/2013, pursuant to the 11 Act.
That's right. But their dice code is available for 9 and 10.
Same dice code number, my lord.
He is the director. It's the
Yes,
communication
director,
by
my
the
lord,
director, the mission director. This document should be available in your the elementary education department.
Okay. Page 48, so it comes to page 48, my lord. It's a transfer to copy, my lord. The PRCC, my lord,
48.
page 48, my lord. Next slide. The vernacular is page 49. The CRCC admitted that, my lord, I have applied for dice data in the year 2019.
These are documents. Why should the CRCC issue a certificate like it?
This is the receipt copy.
No, it is a certified. It is
Yes,
certified.
yes. But
They submitted the data.
submitted all the documents, my lord, for
This is received in this official capacity.
he has signed it, my lord, and
Who is he?
my lord, cluster issues coordinator, my lord.
Yeah, so he's an official, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
So when an official receives something like that, it has to be docketed.
No, he has not. In his
It
personal
must,
capacity.
come from somewhere, reference in something. He can't just take up a paper and give it to you like that. What is the meaning of this?
What I am saying, that my lord, they have issued the dashboard number in 910. This is the receipt
This is evident from the communication at page number
78.
80 or 78.
My lord.
Page number 80.
80 is the original.
If this is the document coming from Director Elementary Education,
My lord,
it
yes.
reflects.
Yeah, Lord Civil Director, my lord, SSA as well as the director to have a my lord inquiry regarding this part and place it before his honorable court. To clarify, my lord, at least how, my lord, it is there. Because the affidavit we have already.
Why do you want the direction? You get the, you
Yes, sir.
follow up this
Lordship.
document and tell us what
Lordship.
the stage here.
So far as my lord, these documents in page 24 is concerned. my lord.
No, 80, 80.
No, that part is otherwise, my lord, this page 24 supports that, my lord. But as per the UDICE, my lord, this particular document is not there. So we'll have to verify, my lord, page 24. He is submitting one, my lord, data collection format.
It's 24,
The
25,
number,
26.
the number is the same.
Yes, but yes,
Still
my
is same. School code is still same.
What
It is
the
not
same?
changed till today. And school was provincialized in 2013. They say that, my lord, that this data code was generated in the year 1415 after provincialization of the school. Then how could the same number was given to the school, my lord, in the year 2019? If it was generated in the year 1415,
in provincialization already put, no? It's 32. নামটো ক'ত আছে?
provincialization 34.
এই 34, নামটো ক'ত? Serial number?
Serial number 116, S42. S42.
Provincialization order. সেইটো ঠিক আছে, সেইটো dispute নাই।
Earlier round of litigation, my lord, the said respondents, my lord, filed affidavit whereby the recommendation of the district school committee was also annexed. In the district school committee recommendation, my lord, the same number was reflected. That it was all prior to 2013. And now say that, my lord, the same number was generated in the year 1415.
Is the elementary education not a party here?
Yes, their
It's
party,
not
my lord.
so.
So we have filed our affidavit also. like
What
that.
have you said?
Based on that, my lord, Sarvashiksha said that data was generated in 1415.
Lordship,
If the
because
district
as
provincialized.
Act provides for, Lordship 3112 provides that the enrollment shall be verified with the DICE data as per DICE code of 2009, 10 or before. So that Act provides, Lordship. DICE data has to be verified, enrollment position of the student has to be verified as per the DICE data of 2009, 10 or before to be eligible for provincialization, Lordship. That Act provides, Lordship. And Lordship, our affidavit, Lordship, may kindly filed by the Director, Lordship, page number 109.
Yes.
Paragraph number 3, Lordship. That at the very outset of answering the report, humbly begs to place on record relevant facts which will be necessary for a proper adjudication of the issue involved in the present case. That the district elementary education officer Sonitpur has submitted the proposal for provincialization of services of teachers with the recommendation of district scrutiny committee Sonitpur of the teachers against Saparika LP school, and after receipt of the proposal from the district elementary education officer Sonitpur, the directorate had submitted the proposal to the government for creation of post, and accordingly the government sanctioned post and issued provincialization of services order of the petitioner along with another teacher of Saparika LP school. Thereafter, the office of the director issued a letter dated so and so 31/12/2013 to all the district elementary
This is
education.
not with regard to the, it's not a counter affidavit. It's not an affidavit in opposition.
They have not denied the
It is
environment.
just an affidavit. Is it come to para 12 of the,
No, Lordship, this is our
oh, I know it is your.
counter affidavit to the
Please
petition.
come to para 14.
For truth.
Very fitting. writ petition paragraph 3.
Lordship.
Now there is an annexed report here, annexed 12.
Tractable limit, from Lordship.
Annexed 25 with the page number 8,
When I said 12, Lordship, that page 78.
page 80.
80 is the original copy,
This is
Lordship,
the communication from your director.
from the director, and it seems that the same
That this has the direct data of when it was captured in 2009.
Lordship.
Now your affidavit has no reply to this paragraph. Does
No,
not
Lordship.
refer to that paragraph.
Although Lordship, although the school was professionalized, but the benefits were not given. Perhaps finding all the irregularities or discrepancies in the dice code.
No, no,
Thereafter, subsequently,
Stated, where is it stated?
in the paragraph 3 itself, Lordship.
No, but
May I continue, Lordship?
it's shown that letter at page 80.
Lordship.
You have to say that this letter was wrongly issued or not based on correct fact. Where every is stated,
Lord.
nothing.
Lordship, may I continue that paragraph 3 once, Lordship?
Yeah.
Page number 110. Thereafter, Lordship, thereafter, the office of the director issued a letter dated so and so, dated 31/12/2013 to all the district elementary education officer not to release the salary to the school concerned who have not captured dice code of 2009 or 10. On the basis of the aforesaid letter, the district elementary education Sonitpur had stopped the salary of teachers of Sabarikam LP school as the school has not captured the dice data of 9 or 10. Lordship. Being able to present petition stop the salary of the teachers of as the school had not captured. Here it is written. Although that page number 80 shows that it has been shown, it has to be verified. But here in our affidavit, it shows that Sonitpur has stopped the salary of the teachers of Saparigam LP school as the school had not captured the dice code of 2009 10. Being aggrieved, the present petitioner school filed a writ petition before this honorable court, by number so and so, and this honorable court, by order dated 4/10/2021, was pleased to dispose of the matter and directed the mission director SSA to Assam to look into the matter and verify the records, and further directed if found some discrepancies had occurred due to the district code not prefixed to the dice code allotted to the petitioner school, necessary correction be made and a complete code be provided to the petitioner school, and further directed the elementary education department to then do the needful for releasing the salary and allowances to the teaching and non-teaching staff of the school if the completed dice code is provided to the school. So there is a direction in terms of the earlier litigation. Once the SSA completes, certifies the dice code, then we have been directed to release the salary. After the order of this honorable court, by order dated 4/10/2021, the mission director Assam passed the speaking order as stated follows. Sonitpur, dice code number so and so, Saparigam Saparigam LP school, but 2014, 15, 15, 16 and 16, 17.
Where does it refer to your letter? Your letter you have issued to the mission director
Lordship,
saying that it is recorded from 2009 10.
that letter says so, Lordship. We have to verify, Lordship, and direct will verify.
Verify what?
Why, on what basis this 2009 10 this dice code has been given? This,
That is what we are
what is the basis? What is the basis?
What we are asking you in
Yes.
view of the fact that you filed your affidavit. You
Which-
filed your affidavit.
Lordship.
Can an affidavit be filed without referring to the government statements made in the writ petition?
Here, Lordship, the actual dice code is 181107043004. And the letter at page number 80, perhaps that is the discrepancies it was reflected earlier, because the district code is not mentioned. The actual dice code of the petitioner's school is 181107043004. And the letter at page number 80 reflects 704030 lawsuit.
It is record here, so it.
But lawsuit, that code has to be mentioned in the,
That's not mentioned by your
Law.
director, what can be done? The document by your director. That code, perhaps they will change in the code or something, why it's not reflected. Mr. Rohit,
So far as this first part is concerned, perhaps it seems whether this is a similar number which is not reflected everywhere. In our affidavit also, we have stated whether it is 070340, 304. That is there otherwise, like in page 24, in page 25, it is there. But one thing, madam, in the present case, the petitioner school has already been provincialized in 2013, pursuant to the 2011 Act. Page 34. The question of, my lord, again considering under 2017 does not arise because it has been already provincialized, if at all. Page 34.
Yeah.
Benefit.
but they're giving the benefit.
That's why, my lord, if it is provincializing by this particular order at page 34, then, my lord, question of, my lord, dice code won't come because 2011 Act nowhere prescribes that, my lord, there will have to be a dice code of 2009 and 10. It says, my lord, the school will have to be, my lord, established prior to 1/1/2006 with all the necessary permission and all. That was the criteria in 2011 Act.
Perhaps that is why the dice code is. not for-
That's why I'm saying, well, so far as this particular letter at page 80. Roundabout the stand that has been taken by the education, otherwise I think, my lord, it is conflicting. It is conflicting, my lord.
That is what we are asking,
No, they will have to know, because 2014, if it is provincialized already,
but this letter is addressed to you. You will also have to say that whether this letter was issued, received or not. If we receive, then if you find it contradictory, what steps have been taken?
so to give the benefits and all, my lord, our approval is not required. SSA's approval.
But SSA is the custodian of the,
Dice code, only dice
Dice
code, yes.
and your reply is that there is no dice code for 9 and 10.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sharma, you get instructions.
lordship,
on
lordship, lordship,
Page number 80.
lordship.
What is the meaning of this?
I will get it.
This particular letter perhaps holds the key.
Lordship.
Mr. Soikia? This page number 80 letter.
Well.
We need some clarification as to on what circumstance.
Sure.
If this is correct, then you are entitled to get it. This appears to be correct because this is an official letter.
Yes.
Perhaps there was some change in the cluster or district or something, which is why some prefix numbers may have been changed.
But the school is under Sonitpur district. Sometimes, my lord, a new district was, my lord, created Vishwanath. Some, my lord,
Possible. It is still under Sunit.
now it has been again, my lord, Sonitpur.
No.
Vishwanath has been withdrawn, my lord.
Huh?
Vishwanath is no longer a district now. Now it is again.
No, it was otherwise in Vishwanath.
Otherwise, in Sonitpur, later one Vishwanath was created. Now Vishwanath, my lord,
What I'm asking you, when it was created, Vishwanath, it came under Vishwanath.
yes.
Hard turn it up. Here. Present proceed. Summary now will be represented by- petitioners are taking the salary due, stated to be due, the staff and the teachers, summary on it, effect from 1/1/2013, along with consequential benefits pursuant to provincialization. ID order dated 14/5. The the petitioner has been other notification now that the dice code for the year 2009 and 10 are not according to the respondent, the dice code available. Dice code in respect of the school is available from 2014-15 on. During the course of the hearing, it's found, it's seen that by communication dated 6th of May 2016, issued by the Director Elementary Education, Mission Director, SSC, a list of schools along with the district, their dates of provincialization, as well as the high school are referred to the same publication. Its serial number 3 in the district of Sodin, Sapurigaon, namely mentioned, and the date of provincialization is shown as 1/1/2013, and the die score as shown by the DO 2000, 2009, 2010 is also reflected as die score number 0704304. The result of this certificate that as per the DEO's record or report, petitioners has a die score since 2009-10. This information is part of the communication which is addressed by the director. SSC. Although counter affidavit is filed by SSA as well as the but there is no specific denial of this communication is found referred to paragraph 14 the regulation. In fact, there is no reference to the averment made by the petitioner, para 14, containing the same communication. known as the regulation. So, under such circumstances, the court deemed it proper to direct the director elementary education clarify under what circumstances the communication should and on what basis the die score shown against the name of the school has been reflected to be the die score of 2009 and 10. This instruction, this clarification took place to the standing out for the vote by the next day. The planning council for SSA also permitted of their instruction in respect of this.
Well.
Okay. Let it be good.
But they are not getting it. They are not getting the benefit. Last
You're not
11 years.
getting provided income. For the 28 May.
28.
Wait.
The method of part of
No part heard. 28 May. Well, party record, I think.
My lord, Mr. Samaria is at legs member, in court number 4.
They reported.
After some time, my lord. Well.
Yes.
My lord, kindly fill the last order dated, my lord, 8/2/2024, my lord.
Huh? 8?
8/2/2024. Yeah, my lord. And Worship has dated, my lord. Put it some decode, my lord.
What happened to the report?
Also that
Where is their regularization order?
my lord, regulation order, my lord. Worship would sign, my lord. At page 37, my lord. Page 36. Page 37.
How many persons?
My lord, there, my lord, total in the Kasar district, my lord, there was, my lord, 193, my lord. And thereafter
Where
another,
are your names?
my lord, my name is, my lord. That serial number, my lord, kindly see in the list, my lord. My name is there, serial number. One is serially, my lord, I have stated, my lord, at paragraph 7, my lord. My lord. My lord, here, my lord.
All these persons?
Yes,
Whole.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, there are 80 petitioners, my lord. And their names, my lord, in the list enclosed, my lord. From page 41, my lord.
What is the stand?
Lordship, here we have filed our affidavit, Lordship.
What is your stand?
Lordship, may come in.
My lord, there is that they had
Page number 66, Lordship. Though they come under the purview of that illegal and irregular teachers. Subsequently, they were screened by the screening committee, Lordship. And on verification, the report says, Lordship, paragraph 12, page number 66. The answering deponent humbly begs to state that the name of the petitioners in the present writ petitioner, except petitioner number so and so, so and so, so and so, were found in the screening committee report under Kasar districts. They found in the screening, they appeared before the screening committee. But they have not fulfilled the criteria of receiving salary up to 2007 and onwards and having JBT, DLED, etc. as laid down in the cabinet memorandum. Hence, they could not be accommodated as teacher or teacher. So, except these petitioners, none of the petitioners fulfill the criteria, although they appeared before the screening committee. So they did not fulfill the criteria, so they could not be accommodated neither as a teacher nor as a teacher. Further, in respect of the petition number so and so, so and so, no records were found in the screening committee. There is no record as to whether they appeared before the screening committee or not. No records were found in the screening committee list. As such, their cases could not be considered for accommodation as a teacher or teacher. This is the stand of the department, Lordship. Otherwise, except for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some of the teachers at serial number 10, 12, 13, 17, up to 75, no records are found, whether they appeared before the screening committee or not. But except these, all the petitioners appeared before the screening committee, and since they did not fulfill the criteria of receiving salary up to 2007 in terms of the cabinet memorandum, Lordship, neither they have any basic training, so their cases could not be accommodated neither as a teacher nor as a tutor.
What is your reply?
my lord, here, my lord, what they are relying upon, my lord, that in this case, my lord, the accommodation, my lord, of the petitioner does not arise, my lord, because their service had already been regularized, my lord, by cabinet memorandum, my lord, right? And that service was regularized, right, my lord, office order dated, my lord, 28, 2005, my lord, by the Director of Limited Education, my lord. And now they are saying, my lord, and from that day, my lord, they are not receiving they are not receiving any salary. And now, my lord, under what purview, my lord, they are claiming that petitioner will receive the salary up to 2007, my lord. Because from the date of their regulation, they are not paid their salary, my lord.
Because
And that
their,
date of regulation
because
was
their
12
initial appointment was illegal.
my lord,
That is
that
why
was
they did not receive.
that was considered by the cabinet
in terms-
memorandum, my lord,
in
state
ter-
government itself, my lord. Kindly see the, my lord, that regulation order, my lord, page 34 itself, my lord, itself. And my lord, in the Monohan committee report, my lord, there are some other district also, my lord. All other districts employees who are contacted by the Monohan committee, my lord, they are still receiving their salary. Their service is regularized, my lord.
And moreover, Lordship,
And
in
now,
this,
my lord,
in this case, there is also a direction by this honorable court to have a CID inquiry. And that
Yes.
inquiry is also
CI,
Yes, yes.
CID inquiry.
My
Lordship.
lord,
CID
CID inquiry, my lord.
what have you
Uh,
done with regard?
So that report is also awaited, Lordship. So on the last occasion, Lordship directed to
My lord, order dated 8/6/2022, my lord.
But why are you not getting the instructions
Yes.
in a matter of 2012?
Yes, my lord.
Why?
because this has been screened in 2000 in terms of the cabinet memorandum of 2020.
No, whatever it may be,
Lordship.
you had been given sufficient time to
Lordship,
call for the and raise the record.
Lordship.
You have no instruction.
There is a communication from
What
the
is it?
director to the
What is
secretary
it?
because the government is in the is the custodian of those records. So it has already been communicated to the government. Lordship may fix after 3 weeks. Lordship, in the meantime, we will have the record, both the records. Lordship. The outcome of this CID inquiry also is necessary. Lordship.
No reply from the secretary.
No, not yet, Lordship, they are verifying.
Where is the order dated 2/3/2010? Passed in WPC 1048. In your list,
My lord, I had collected a copy, my lord, this order. My lord, in the website, my lord, it's not very- it seems, my lord, they are totally separate sets of pieces, my lord.
and what happened to the committee was appointed?
Screening committee, Lordship.
20,
When do you claim your appointment?
my lord.
Your appointment was made in which day?
My lord, by the Director of Limited Education, my lord, and 29/11/94, my lord.
Huh?
29/11/1994.
9.
My lord.
During those period of 1989 to 2001, Lord.
my lord,
Although in terms of that one-man committee, S. Manoharan committee's recommendation, the petitioners were regularized, their service were regularized. But there were fake appointments. That regularization appointment, there is an instruction, there is a report from the finance department also in my communication. Your lordship will find, accordingly, the office had regularized the services of 193 numbers of so-and-so teachers in Kasar districts by the office under memo number 2008, including the petitioners in WPC number so-and-so, they were regularized. In the meantime, the finance department by memo number so-and-so 7/10/2005 issued a fax message to the deputy commissioner Kasar with information copy to the treasury officer Kasar as under it has come to the notice of the finance department that fake appointments of teachers in Kasar district has been made on the strength of cabinet decision of 2005 with reference to the recommendation of the Manoharan committee.
to clear case, my lord. They just found out the
Commissioner.
fake appointment, who are the fake appointment. If the
In
petitioners
view
are
of
fake,
the
they
above,
will
you are instructed not to entertain the bills if presented on the strength of the letter number so and so, 2005.
Who are take up?
Yes,
That is why,
The letter does not say all appointments were fake,
lordship. So
some appointments.
because of this, their salaries were withheld.
Who are
And
the names?
subsequently that they were made to be appear before that screening committee.
Now their salaries are released by whom? Who has
Approval,
not released?
my lord,
approval has
my
to be
lord,
from the
it will-
finance.
deal with the salary will be released by the finance, but
Your salary
my lord,
not been released, means there has to be a proposal
yes, from the department, my lord.
by whom?
By
From
the
the
Who
my lord,
is to send the proposal?
my lord, it will be sent by the
Education
district elementary tuition officer, my lord.
District Elementary Education Office.
My lord.
Has their proposal been sent? No.
My lord, one communication,
Is
my
there
lord,
any communication rejecting your claims for payment of salary?
my lord, case 60, my lord, kindly come to case 60, my lord, one communication, my lord. 1000,
60.
my lord, 60, my lord.
Where is that communication by which you have read out, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship,
Where is that letter you have read out?
thus I just provided you lordship.
This one.
Lordship. Just now I provided communication dated 3rd April 2024. Second paragraph,
3rd April 24.
3rd April 2024.
Now, in order to verify,
Lordship,
how will the cases be verified? Because everything is under the CID.
CID lordship. So that is why that CID report is necessary lordship. Because there is a direction is also. By the order dated 8 to 2000.
8/6/2022.
You can close it, the revert, that in the event the CID proceedings do not culminate in any in finding any fact, actually that you represent the illegal Take
Hmm.
your claim. Area salary. Because unless the reports are there,
my lord.
how will the verification be done?
Now, my
Where
lord,
records are
yes, my lord.
Yeah.
Now, my lord, what will my presumption, my lord? If it now close my eyes, but my lord, as lordship is suggesting, my lord. My lord, if petitioner approach, my lord, ultimately, my lord, they will also not be able to collect the report of the CIT, my lord.
No, we are not asking you to approach the CID. We are saying we are closing this petition,
My lord.
giving you a liberty to come before the court again upon the report being submitted. For how long will the court wait for that?
That is, my lord, petitioner who will approach to whom, my lord?
You approach the court.
No, my lord, for area salary, my lord. The lordship is directing to examine.
If the CID finds that the allegations made against you are not correct,
My lord.
your claim for area salary will remain.
Yes,
We'll
yes,
observe that and
yes, 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 my lord. I'm also on the opinion, my lord. If I am not, I'm take appointment, I will not get the salary.
Right.
If my name is there in the
So
193
that-
list, my lord.
that if and when there is no certainty,
My lord,
so we are closing it,
my lord.
giving you liberty. Come
Yes.
to the court.
My lord. Very
In
good,
the
sir.
event
Yes,
the CID report carries no allegation,
Lordship, lordship.
my lord. Within a time frame, my lord. If they not,
what time frame? How can we fix a time?
my lord, otherwise, my lord, if lordship,
Because you are not able to give us a correct date as to what when
Lordship,
shall the report be made available.
my
Lordship.
lord, let them try for a last time, my lord.
Lordship may dispose with a direction, lordship,
What direction? Whom?
to the director to, on the basis of that PID report, whether
What is the status of the proceeding? Who is for the government department? Who's there? Government advocate? Yes, Mr. Bora. Government, who is there? We want some senior government advocate. Who is there? Additional or senior government? Yes, madam.
Tina was there, na?
We want a report or the status of a report of the status of the investigation conducted by the CID Zonal 2 Silchar
Yes.
pursuant to orders of the court. What is the status?
Yes.
Has any charge sheet been filed? Is there any report? Any application for seeking sanction for prosecution? Something like that.
Yes.
So, Mr. Sharma will kindly furnish a copy
lordship, I will.
and the will also indicate in the order. You make an attempt to tell us what is the status of the investigation.
Yes.
Are done now.
It will be good.
As per the as per earlier order dated in court,
Item number 3.
the elementary education director placed a report minute of the expert of the student for verification of the records, as well as the decision of the state cabinet of 26, 2007. So, in spite of the matter being listed twice thereafter, the report were not placed. Probably when the matter is listed, Mr. P. N. Sharma renewed his prayer for further time for calling for the records, as well as for the decision. Although the court was reluctant to grant further time, but considering the fact that the issues raised in the petition concerned several actual issues, the minutes of the expert committee along with the state cabinet's minutes held on 26 2007 will certainly assist the court in passing the order. That apart, as per the earlier direction by coordinate bench of this court, the entire matter is presently under the investigation of the CID CID. Assam. So, the status of the investigation is not known at the Union Council, the Department Council is not made right. We therefore request, board therefore requests the MSPD on additional senior government advocate apprise the court as to the status of the investigation conducted by the Superintendent of Police CID Punel hyphen Silchar Assam. In respect of the illegalities suspected to have been conducted in respect of appointment of teachers, illegalities and fake appointments suspected to have been conducted, committed by government officials in respect of appointment of
in the custody.
in the district of Kachar.
My lord, Monmohan committee report should also be reflected.
The state status, the state information is sought for by the court by the next day. It's on 28th of May.
28.
Copy of the order be marked
228 Lordship.
additional
Two.
senior government advocate and the report for onward.
Lordship, I
Copy of this order also be marked the office of the planning council by implementing. Yes,
showing the name of J. Assam in the
the names, the registry will reflect the name of the Assam of the response.
of like
Obliged.
Okay. Please note.
But we fix the date, my lord. He will take some time, my lord.
Let's take a date, adjourn.
Bless you.
And appeal to the petitioner on court. Mr. Harim Das will appear the court.
Water Resource Department. Water Resource Department.
Water resources. Matter dismissed for not prosecuting. Yes, same. You're also, you're there. None appears for the petitioner on court. Harim Das. Orders it. None appears for the petitioner on court. None appears on 5/3/2024. Three orders And if you copy, I already typed it before. Submission of the time report that matter is under consideration and other time in the status. Of the order dated by who through the SBI, SBI account. KK. 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 Not appear to the petition. Not appear. Eight thousand. 10,000. Bill paid. And I Hearing to the response.
For Arti Talukdar, EG.
For Architect, yes, Mr. Board, sir. We take it up after a while. There appears to be some order of a revision based. Please, here.
Yes, my lord.
You have a copy, you have the order there, judgment, date April 73.
Yes, yes, yes. In fact, I had appeared here, my
You go through and let us- we'll call him after a while.
lord.
It's something to do with pension.
Your Lordship,
And what has happened?
but most probably the case will cover under the Rafiq Masih case, my lord. The petitioner is not there, my lord.
No, but picture is not there, but want to know what happened. The pension that the mother was getting, it was suddenly reduced.
Lordship,
For what purpose?
my lord, it was wrongly calculated, my lord.
Wrongly.
No.
Who is for the petitioner?
Bhaskar Mukherjee, my lord. Matter may fix at 2, my lord,
All right,
at 2 p.m.
you inform him.
My lord, I have gone through the decision. There, my lord, that particular person, the decision which is before my lord, Hussein Ali, that he was engaged on commission basis as a sub-register way back in the year 1984.
And thereafter, my lord, he continued as such, my lord, to act and perform his duties as a sub-registrar. However, my lord, on commission basis. Nonetheless, my lord, in the year 2008, his services were regularized. Then he, my lord, moved his honorable court, my lord, taking, my lord, relief that he would come within the ambit of the 1969 rules, but not within the ambit of the new pension rules. And accordingly, he prayed, my lord, for giving all the benefits, that is, my lord, regular pension, as well as, my lord, regular salaries and all other service benefits. That writ petition was registered, my lord, by the revenue department in the before the learned single judge, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the learned single judge decided that writ petition in favor of the, my lord, the writ petitioner. My lord, thereafter we filed an appeal before the honorable division bench. Now there was a delay in filing that appeal before the honorable division bench, and the delay was, my lord, not condoned, it was dismissed. Matter went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court condoned the delay, my lord, and remanded the matter back to the division bench. Finally, division bench has decided on merits that he would be entitled. Division bench has, my lord, relied upon, my lord, the two decisions primarily. One, my lord, that Dolly Borpujari, because since it is, my lord, a work of a perennial nature, so therefore, my lord, he would be entitled. And secondly, my lord, one decision, my lord, of the Uttar Pradesh, my lord, that decision has also been relied upon. There, my lord, some court amins, my lord, they were working on commission basis, and finally, my lord, their services were also, my lord, regularized. They were also given the benefit. Now here, my lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner was engaged by that person, my lord, that Hussein Ali, who had, my lord, got the benefits by virtue of that, my lord, writ appeal decision. And lordship will kindly, if my lord may be pleased to come to the writ petition for a moment, why that decision is not applicable here. In the writ petition, lordship will kindly come to, my lord, page number 22 in the present writ petition. Page number 22, my lord, is the appointment letter of Hussein Ali, who was, my lord, engaged on commission basis. My lord, I am reading it, my lord. Subject to discharge at the discretion of government without notice and without assigning any reason thereof, Mohammed Hussein Ali, son of late Mohammed so is hereby appointed temporarily and until further orders as commission basis sub-register of the commission basis sub-registry office at Mukalmua in the district of Kamrup in usual terms and conditions with the effect from the date of taking over charges. The newly appointed commission basis sub-register will be remunerated in accordance with provision contained in para 3 of the chapter instruction and orders contained in the registration manual Assam. Necessary, now this is important, necessary office accommodation to be arranged by him at his own cost. Books, forms, etc. will be supplied to him by the Inspector General of Registration Assam. If necessary, he may arrange office establishment at his own cost and at his own responsibility. He is not allowed to take up any other employment. Now, my lord, this is an order, my lord, issued by the government, the authority, my lord, that by the, my lord, registration department, that is the revenue department, my lord. Now, after having engaged, my lord, this person, Mohammed Hussein Ali, that he in turn, my lord, had appointed the writ petitioner on commission basis. And that appointment letter, lordship will find at page 27.
No. The writ petitioner was appointed as what?
He was appointed, my lord, and my lord, as a, my lord, lower division assistant. There lies the difference.
The lower division assistant is the office of the sub-registrar.
In the office of the sub-registrar, by that sub-registrar, who himself was appointed on commission basis. So he had no authority. Even, my lord, therefore I had drawn my lord's attention to page 22. That is the appointment letter of that person. Page 22, lordship has just now seen. There is no authority. No authority was given by the state government to that person, namely Mohammed Hussein Ali, to appoint any other further person. on commission basis or whatever it is. Nonetheless, my lord, at page 26, Lordship may kindly see, page 26, this is how, my lord, the writ petitioner came to be appointed. Now, page 26 is an order issued by, my lord, that Mohammed Hussain Ali, subject to discharge at the discretion of government, without notice and without so and so, and any reason thereof, Mohammed Hussain Ali is hereby appointed temporarily and until further orders as commission basis registered so and so with effect from the date of joining. At page 26, my lord, page 26 is the appointment letter of the petitioner. Page 26 down below, if lordship see, copy forwarded to, kindly see here, my lord. It was not even forwarded to the government. It was on his own volition. It was on his own volition that, my lord, the writ petitioner came to be appointed in the year 1984. And then, my lord, he continued, and finally, my lord, this order of regularization came, my lord. That order of regularization, lordship will find that page, my lord. I'm just reading it, my lord. That lordship will find it, page 39 of the writ petition, page 39. Now, this is the order of regularization, whereunder lordship will kindly see, my lord, I am reading it, in the interest of public service and as per cabinet decision dated so and so, the governor of Assam is pleased to regularize the service of the following employees of Mukalmua commission basis sub-registry so and so against the post sanctioned by letter dated so and so 25/4/2008. The posts have been freshly sanctioned on 2008, shown against each of their names. There, my lord, will find at serial number 1, Mohammed Hussain Ali, sub-register. Then, my lord, the petitioner name, my lord, figures at serial number 2, Mohammed Siddiq Ali, LD assistant. And he came to be regularized in the year 2008. And so, therefore, in my respectful submission, my lord, this is a fresh appointment. He enters into the government cadre on regular basis, my lord, on and from 25th of April 2008. Prior thereto, my lord, he was not, my lord, working in any cadre post. And not to speak, my lord, that, my lord, this, my lord, the order of appointment was not ratified by the government at any point of time. Whereas in case of, my lord, Mohammed Hussain Ali, who was appointed as the sub-registrar, my lord.
No, but the petitioner's name is what? Siddiq.
Siddiq.
So he was also regularized.
No, he was also regularized, but there is a difference between the initial appointment of,
Maybe, but once is regularized, it's regularized
yes,
by the government. Then the pre-page at page 38,
yes,
38 shows that the commission system will cease to exist.
yes, because,
The department system has come.
yes, department, and thereafter, my lord, in the meantime, in the year 2010, my lord, because prior thereto, my lord, there were no service rules. In the year 2010 only, my lord, these service rules came to be, my lord, notified and promulgated. Now, the distinction between that person, Mohammed Hussain Ali, and this person, Mohammed Siddiq Ali, lies in only one fact, my lord, to the extent that Mohammed Hussain Ali was engaged or appointed on commission basis by the government. So it was a conscious decision.
Prior appointment is okay, but subsequently when they have been regularized,
Yes,
the name of the petitioner also appeared.
yes, name of the petitioner appeared. So therefore, he enters into government service, my lord. Prior to that, he was working on commission basis.
All right. 2008,
Yes,
2008 he entered.
yes, 2008 he entered. So therefore, he comes within the new defined contributory pension scheme. And he will be entitled for all the pay scale benefits, whatever it is, my lord. to be counted from 25th of April 2008. But here, my lord, the writ petitioner is claiming his past services. His past services has to be counted. So therefore, he is claiming, my lord, a ante relief ante. That his past services has to be counted way back from the year 1984, when he was initially engaged on commission basis by a person who himself was, my lord, engaged on commission basis.
And what was the finding of the single judge in Hussain Ali's case?
Hussain Ali's case, finding of the simple judge is that because he was working, my lord, in a perennial post, my lord, in a perennial post. So therefore, and the government had itself appointed, my lord, the petitioner, knowing that Hussain Ali, my lord, knowing that his services will be required. But here is the case, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I have drawn my lord's kind attention to page 26. Page 26 is
Let's see what is the rationale of the ratio of the single judge. Ordinate bench.
ordinate bench, my lord. That's the decision. Yes. That my lord will find from page 51 onwards. Paragraph 3. By order dated 28/4/1984, issued by the Deputy Secretary to the Government, petitioner was appointed as sub-register in the then undivided district on so-and-so. He joined on so-and-so. After about 24 years of service on commission basis, service of the petitioner was regularized by government notification dated 25/4/2008. Since the petitioner was to retire from service on attaining the age of superannuation on 31/3/2013, he moved the respondent number 1, that is the Revenue Department, to consider the period of service rendered by him on commission basis while counting qualifying service for entitlement to pension. It stated that the period of service rendered by the petitioner from the date of regularization, that is 25/4/2008, till his superannuation on 31/3/2013, did not make up the qualifying service which should entitle him to pension. Since no decision was taken on his above prayer, petitioner approached this court by filing so-and-so WPC. Following interim order passed by this court, the representation of the petitioner was considered by the Principal Secretary of the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, but by order dated 5/12/2011, the same was rejected. In view of the above, the WPC so-and-so was closed by this court by giving liberty to the petitioner to challenge the aforesaid order. Accordingly, the petitioner filed WPC 1614 of 2012, challenging the legality and validity of the order dated so-and-so. The Finance Department, in its affidavit filed in the WPC, took the stand that it would have no objection to examine any proposal to notionally fix the petitioner's pay under FR 22 as sub-register with the date of his joining on commission basis till his regularization on notional basis, if such a proposal was submitted by the parent department. A single bench of this court by order dated so-and-so disposed of WPC so-and-so and remanded the matter back to the Revenue Department as well as the Finance Department to examine the case of the petitioner in the light of
Any judgments to the contrary you are relying on? The ratio is from page 31. Sorry, page 60, para 31.
page 60, para 31. Yes,
That's the ratio of the
yes, my lord. Lord, I will be relying on the provisions of my lord Rule 31 and my lord Rule 44.
everything has been.
Yes.
And the objections have
Yes, yes,
over
yes,
supplement happened by
division bench.
unless you have a judgment the contrary. Proof that or that being a service as required.
Yes.
Court has come to find that the master servant relationship
Master servant relationship. Yes, on commission basis. But here, my lord, the distinguishing factor is that, my lord, it is the admitted position that because the why the court has
be on fact. The fact that
Yes, moral, yes,
Same day. Oh, correct.
absolutely. Same day. But my lord, the only thin line of distinction, my lord, in my respectful submission is that, my lord, here the court has come to the finding on the basis, my lord, that the government, it has questioned the government that you have appointed him on commission basis, and he was working under you. So there, and you have at one point of time on 2008 regularized his service.
He answered by fact.
Subsequent,
The question not found in order.
my lord,
When was the occasion for the government to regularize?
Yes.
Subsequent, maybe your commission fee, but ultimately
appointed by the government,
here, by the region,
my lord,
not by the government.
Yes.
But the
appointed regular.
then get the right to regularize, consider it
Yes,
to us.
yes,
And having done that,
Yes.
the ratio given by 36
yes,
the work of perennial nature,
yes, work of perennial lesson.
some relation after perhaps
Yes.
after
Because the honorable single judge and as well as my lord, yes,
the after that, notwithstanding that, merely because pensionary or being by protection must be a substantive, must have rendered service, and he must have worked under the government.
Yes.
Perhaps it's the
present petitioner.
but you know that you will have to come.
No, therefore, my lord, it is my respectful submission because we have heavily relied on Rule 31. Rule 31 tells about, my lord, that three conditions which have fallen from my lord just now. And then there is Rule 44. Rule 44 specifically prohibits, my lord, that where the service is not pensionable. If a person is working on commission basis, my lord, then his services is not pensionable.
Not a question.
No, he had initially worked on commission basis. Therefore, that period of service cannot be counted for the purpose of pension. That is my argument. Otherwise,
So
ultimate,
you have to come out of Hussein Ali.
yes,
Come out of
Yes.
Hussein Ali.
because Hussein Ali, my lord, we had registered on the basis of those materials, my lord.
The only way you can come out is to distinguish
Yes,
on law or fact.
Yes.
Say
on facts, my lord, this is the only, my lord, material of distinction. On law, my lord, I will be seeking a little accommodation, my lord. If lordship accommodate me, my lord, for a week at least, my lord.
it is
My lord, revenue department, my lord.
hearing next week.
My lord, next week, yes, my lord, can it be on, my lord,
So it is the parliament.
my lord, well, 7th is, my lord, will be a holiday, my lord, is the election date. My lord, may I pray on 14, my lord, if it is not inconvenient. 16, my lord, I'm so obliged, my lord. I'm so obliged.
Your lordship, can be taken up the matter next week? 9th of May, lordship, can be.
The date, hearing list. What is the matter?
This is regarding a claim of an ad hoc pension of 400 rupees.
Fighting for it.
Okay.
Why not release?
No, I'm not fighting for it. The issue is that 400 rupees has ultimately been merged with a different scheme, ex gratia scheme, wherein the employee was getting much more thereafter. So that particular 400 was an ad hoc payment because at that point of time the pension was very less. Subsequently, pay revisions came in, and there was another pension scheme of All India Limited. Ultimately, now he's getting a lot of money. So what happened to that particular 400? That's kind of a relief,
He
stopgap
still wants
relief.
400.
No, sir.
Still work for us.
Yes, based on that particular ad hoc provision that was there at the point of time. However, subsequently, it was merged with a new scheme and he is a beneficiary of the scheme. So that 400 doesn't have any existence as on date. That is our case. And against our affidavit, they have not filed any reply controverting our stand therein. That this has already been merged with that ex gratia scheme that was subsequently brought into picture and he is enjoying the benefits of that. That was only a stopgap arrangement at that point of time. That is basically the issue. In our affidavit, paragraph 4 and paragraph 5, we have categorically stated the state position. And there has been no controverting reply against this.
So after 1/8, no amount.
After
1/8.
Yes.
And what is the claim?
claim of the petitioner is basically for that ad hoc pension of rupees 400. And another issue is that amount of 4,000 amount of 4,663 that they claim has been paid less in the month of May 2012.
When is it, when do you want the match?
Lordship, 9th of May, if possible, Lordship.
After a week, then, Lord.
All right, we try to pull up on night.
Possible.
Pleasure. That wants to Anil.
Item 14.
Yeah, anyone for the postal department. Yeah. Right.
I'm very sorry, Your Lordship.
Come back and
Thank you.
there was some discussion
Yes, Your Lordship, regarding payment of some amount.
on a law.
And yes, we have already communicated to the concerned branch, Mukalma branch matter, as I have remembered. And
Any development? on
yes,
that
Your
matter?
Lordship, there is some documents is pending. I have to take instructions and I'll come back on that.
Then we take it up night. Perfect. Happy that. Like, right? Right, right.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Matter.
As not available in item number 2, Lordship. Item number.
Take it up at
Development. Here, water resource is a national logic.
water
I have
resource.
fo-
Who's
I have to
water resource?
inform him,
Standing Council Water Resource.
Lordship, I have called him in the first half, Lordship. He has gone out of the Guwahati, Lordship.
Who is he?
RM Das,
He was here.
Lordship here, but after completion, he has left, Lordship. Anyway, Lordship,
What is your grievance here?
Lordship, my pension has not been disbursed, Lordship. They have not prepared the service book. It is admitted that I have also not with the service book, Lordship, and department has also not.
Standing Council Water Resource.
Initially, Lordship, initially I was appointed as Lordship LDA in the office of the Superintendent Engineer, North Trunk Road Circle, Tezpur, under PW department. Lordship, subsequently, he has joined the Assam Secretariat, and on in the year 1971, he was placed under the Superintendent
under the disposal of the superintendent engineer Tezpur investigation cycle. And in 1972, his service was regulated. Lordship. Then, and 1984, he was appointed as block development officer under TS regulation.
Yeah.
Lordship. And prior to his appointment, he has resigned from his service. Lordship. Subsequently, he could not complete the FPSC examination. Accordingly, his service was terminated as block BDO. And thereafter, he has submitted his application for a pensionary benefit, but till that has not been disbursed. It is
Then?
Lordship, under Lordship, I take to show your financial Lordship, page number 13, Lordship, and extra D.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, otherwise they stated that they have no record of my service book.
So you were asked to be present before
Lordship.
the chief engineer's office
Lordship,
for reconstruction,
Lordship.
but you failed to appear.
Lordship, I have subsequently submitted the required documents. My documents, it is at annexure I, page number 18, Lordship. Lordship,
Okay, then
please.
thereafter,
Thereafter, Lordship, in the next case, I've also submitted some RTA application because I was in the Lordship, Secretariat Administration Department in a period of time.
Yeah.
So, Lordship may kindly page number, go to page number 20, Lordship. Is the RTI answer, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yeah.
Lordship, with reference to your petition dated cited above, I am directed to say that Secretariat Administration Department has trying best to trace out the required information as sought for, but this department could not trace out the same till date as it relates to erstwhile Flood Control Department also. It is known to you that the capital of Assam was shifted to Dispur, Guwahati 6 in the year of 1974. In different cases, most of the official records prior to shifting of capital could not be traced out in earlier occasion also by this department. Therefore, on above circumstances, this department is not in a position to supply your required service record at the present topic. Now, in this regard, Lordship, I beg to show your Lordship one notification, Lordship, regarding maintenance of the service book, Lordship.
but you submitted voluntary retirement.
Lordship, Lordship, it is my pleaded, Lordship, but in the affidavit, Lordship, there is one document, Lordship, it is said that I was forced to resign in 1982, Lordship. And probably this resignation may not be a bar to my processing of the proposal, Lordship, because it was as per their consent, Lordship. And so far my initial appointment was 1966, Lordship. And till 1982, that made me almost 17 years, Lordship.
Respondent is not here.
Lordship.
All right, we'll follow up again on 9th.
Nine.
Nine.
Table of letter.
That will be followed up again on 9th as the council for the department. Present. Mr. A. Govind Adam, petitioner as a legal aid counsel. Present. Matter was heard. Something. Please follow up again on 9th of May.
Lift up.
Yes.
Sorry, Your Lordship, I was not present. I was at the next. Lordship, here the petitioner's son was a serving river police constable, Your Lordship. He died in harness in the year 1993. Thereafter, family pension was issued in the name of the mother, Your Lordship. And she has been drawing the family pension since 1994 onwards till 2013. On 2013, till 2013, the family pension was revised from time to time with the insertion of the inclusion of the pay commissions, Your Lordship. The family pension kept on increasing. Lastly, she was drawing 16,000 something, Your Lordship. In 2013, suddenly the amount was reduced to 4,000. And when she inquired, there was no response from the bank authorities or anybody. She filed an RTI, and a reply was given to the RTI that her family pension was a special family pension, and it was to be treated as a special family pension, and no revision was allowed. However, it was by mistake. The bank authorities have treated it as a regular family pension, and it was revised from time to time. As such, there were recoveries to be made, Your Lordship. This was the stand in the RTI reply, Your Lordship. Against that, Your Lordship, we have filed this writ petition. We have challenged that reply to the RTI. And our stand is that they have nowhere stated as to how there is no provision of revision of the pension. The PPO nowhere says that this is a special family pension and it is not revisable under the law. There is nowhere stated. Even in their affidavit, they have stated, they have taken the stand that it is not revisable. However, they have not shown any law or any provision as to how it is a special family pension, and under what circumstances revision is not applicable, Your Lordship, as per the pay commission. And my second fold of
Under what? Home Department.
yes, Your Lordship.
Home.
Okay. And the second fold of my case is that, Your Lordship, the recovery. Assuming but not admitting that it
Recovery
is
of what?
recovery of the excess paid amount, Your Lordship, whether that is permissible. Firstly, they are saying it is not revisable, hence it was wrongly paid to me.
Now, who has deducted? The Home Department.
It was disbursed by the State Bank of India, Your Lordship, and they have admitted in their affidavit and also
State Bank is only a
disbursing authority. It was
They don't
admitted.
take a decision as to what is to be done.
It was also admitted by them. It was the mistake of the State Bank authorities to pay the excess amount. Home is silent about that, whether I'm entitled to revised pension or I'm not entitled to revised pension.
Where is that, Mr. Day? What do you say?
You also rightly pointed out, my lord, State Bank is only the disbursing authority. The main accountant general is to keep reply on merit. My lord, I have filed my affidavit, my lord, in paragraph 5, I have stated, my lord, inadvertently, my lord,
Accountant General. Speak. Accountant General and Governor.
my lord, I have stated there, my lord, that she is not entitled to revision of pension, my lord. However, my lord, pension was inadvertently revised twice, and when it was verified, it was detected, and so, my lord, there
It
was
was revised in the sense of it was brought down. Amount was increased or decreased? It was decreased.
Increase.
no, inadvertently it was increased and she was paid. Firstly, her basic
What
was
do you mean inadvertent? Means it was not increased, but she was erroneously paid.
erroneously paid, right? Erroneously paid.
So now, what are the prayers here?
Lordship, firstly, the revision, Your Lordship. It was
Now, after the increase,
I was receiving 16,000 something. And they are taking a stand that I was not entitled to that much, and I would have been getting a lesser amount, which they have wrongly paid to me, and they are recovering the entire amount which has been
The
wrongly paid.
amount has been recovered,
They have started to recover.
starting in
Lordship may peruse
2015.
Lordship may peruse annexure 8, Your Lordship, at page number
Yes.
8 at page 33, Your Lordship, the last paragraph. It is a reply by State Bank of India. In view of the referred process, the pensioner was paid excess pension from February 2008 to June 2013 amounting to 5 lakhs so and so, which the pensioner has to refund for onward deposit to the government account. Now 1/3 of the pension of the pensioner is being paid in the system by CPPC from the pensioner's monthly pension from December 2013 for recovery of the excess amount paid to the pensioner. A copy of the statement of calculation is included. Firstly, they say they have
So the amount has already been deducted.
started 5 lakhs, it will take time, Your Lordship. So, firstly, they are saying that I am not entitled to. My first fold of my argument is that they have not shown how I am not entitled. I have annexed the PPO in as annexure to, Your Lordship, which nowhere says, the PPO nowhere says that my pension is a special family pension and is not, in fact, page 22 is the 21 is annexure to, Your Lordship. Page 25. It says relief beyond 50% is admissible with effect from 93 to 2023. MA is not admissible. Medical allowance is not admissible. The entire PPO nowhere speaks that my family pension is a special family pension and there is no revision or increase from time to time allowed under this PPO. Whenever new pay commission came, Your Lordship, my family pension was enhanced from time to time over a period of last 13 years, Your Lordship, more than that. From 1995, I've been getting the pension till 2013. There was revision from time to time.
So there has to be a finding by the authority. In fact, in your communication, you have not stated that the erroneous overpay was because of the petitioner.
No, I have not.
So therefore, it cannot be attributed to the petitioner.
My lord,
So in that case, as per the law of the apex
my
court,
lord, my lord,
the amount cannot be recovered.
my lord.
But the question is, what has happened? What will happen to the amount already recovered? You'll have to refund it. There's some amount already recovered, isn't it?
Yes. And another aspect of the matter is there, Your Lordship. They have stated that I am not entitled to the revised. They have not shown any document or anything that the government has told them that my family pension is not revisable. Or the government has asked them to recover it from me and pay it to the government. They are the disbursing authority. They must act on behalf of the
Where
government.
is your PPO?
PPO is at annexure to page 21. The PPO nowhere says it is a special case or a special family pension and is not revisable.
It is for 2056 per month.
2056 plus D and something 2056. At page 25, your lordship, this specified. Special FP at 2056 per month with effect from so and so to so and so, or the date of whichever is earlier. Relief beyond 50% per month is admissible with effect from so and so to so and so. MA is not admissible on special family pension. MA is not admissible, that I understand, your lordship. Medical allowance in medical is not admissible. But whether it is revisable or not,
This 2056 includes MA. Medical allowance.
Well, we have to read whatever is there in the PPO.
No, it is not clear. MA is not admissible means
It will not
perhaps
get,
MA is not included.
no, not
No.
included, not included, will not get medical
Okay.
allowance.
Then we close the matter.
So far as the refund, well, there is no such prayer in the rate petition.
Okay, whatever has been deducted, deducted. Rest further, no amount to be deducted. Okay. Third. Someone, I don't know who had, there are some judgment here. Who referred to the judgment? I don't. Third account. Is filed by the petitioner, whose son was a river police constable, was killed by extremists while discharging his duty. After the death of the son of the petitioner, some side grant special family pension the ill-fated mother, and by a pension payment order, it was granted special family pension at the basic pay of Rs 2056 plus 50% aidness allowance effect from 23/06/1993 to 31/3/2023 or till the death of the patient, whichever is early. But her payment has stopped now.
I have no recent instruction, your lordship. It was till 2023, your lordship. The PPO clearly stipulates.
Where is that mention of that particular period of term?
Page 20,
25.
25. your lordship. With effect from 23/6/93 to 31/7/23. Or the death of the pensioner.
Is the petitioner still alive?
Last till 2022, I had contacted your lordship. Thereafter, I can try to communicate through post registered, or else bank may be able to say because they are disbursing.
What do you say? So if the petitioner is not alive, then we are passing an order for no reason.
That problem is there. I'm also.
Can you find out what is the status and whether the pension is still being paid? Can you?
He was 79 years when the petition was filed in the year 2015. Now it is 88 years.
Age wise it is all right, but the PPO itself says it is still 31/7/2023. So then you will have a claim for the amount which was deducted. It will have direction on it. But provided she is alive.
Let my learned friend check.
I can try to communicate. On the other hand, bank can also get instruction because they were disbursing.
No, because it is up when you find out it is there the amount was disbursed.
My lord.
Last I'll try to communicate.
Is it till 31/7/2023? And there any other communication after?
I shall get the status.
Right. Then let us have this matter again on 30. 30. Polar here on 30. The next is Janet price report. Because whether the drawing market special family Janet price will be on 30.
My lord,
Will remain as a part of the list, will be called up.
valid. My lord, I have small prayer, my lord. If on 13 I am not here, my lord, my learned friend will be there.
Can have it on some other date
Earlier to that 13,
earlier,
my lord. 2-3 days early.
after 30.
After 13, 19, 20,
They don't wait.
my lord.